Now I show how to create and use jump links in the Annotations menu. If you don't want to edit the Annotations content except for the name, but you simply want to direct the visitor to another web page, you can do it in an easy way. As a first step, sign into your tool. After this, you can freely edit the annotations. Click on the tag. If the content you inserted is available somewhere online and you want it to be displayed in New tab, you have three possibilities. You can either select a part of the text which can be made into a link, or you can create a button under which the link can be placed, and you can also make the tag direct the visitor to another website. To make this possible, don't choose the image, text and video option, but the jump to link option, so you can create a jump link. The inserted content will be available in a more detailed version here. If you are sure that the website is stable enough and it will be always available, copy the link and insert it into the annotation jump link field. Then save the settings, then close the annotations. Sign out to see what the visitor can see. The name of the partition wall tag appears the same way if I move the cursor on it, but if I click on it, it directs me to the given page in New tab. If you close this, you return to the Property tool.